Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use WeTransfer, a simple and free tool to file transfer. So we are going to explain that what WeTransfer is, how it works, and why millions of people use it to send large files online. So if you have ever struggled to email a big file or got stuck uploading something to the cloud, WeTransfer might be exactly what you need. So basically WeTransfer is a free web-based file transfer service that allows you to send large files up to 2 GB to anyone to anywhere in the world. So unlike other cloud platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox, you don't need to create an account to use WeTransfer. That is one of the reasons that it is so popular. It is fast, simple, and no sign up is required for basic features at all. But if you use the pro features, it may require login. So just search for WeTransfer.com and then you can go to their official website. Now you have to enter your email and the recipient emails. Tap on to accept all, then tap on I agree. Now you have to enter your email and the recipient's email here, okay? Then you have to enter the title, you have to enter message. So let me enter an email right now. Here you can see this. Let me copy this email. Then let me enter my email. Now let's enter the email where I wish to send it. For example, I'm just gonna add an email right here. So okay, this one. @gmail.com. Now if you wish, you can enter title and text a message. For example, I'm gonna type, hey there, here is your file which you told me to transfer. So that's it. Now from here you can see this option, add files or add folders. So if you want to add files, for example any single picture or a few pictures together, then you just can use this one. And if you just want to add a full folder, just go and tap onto add folders, and from there you have to tap onto this, then you have to tap onto upload, then tap upload. So this is it. Now you can also choose like when it will expire. Then from the three dot you can see this verification link, and download, track downloads, etc. You can also create link if you wish to. Then after clicking on, you can tap on to continue. So after clicking on to get a link, here you can see this option, anonymous downloads or tracked download. So on the track downloads you have to buy their premium option. So for now I'm going to tap onto anonymous download, get a link. Now as you can see, to ensure safety for all users, WeTransfer has sent a verified code to my Gmail account. So I'm just gonna enter that code for now. That's it. Now let's enter the code, paste it, then verify and send. Super easy to use and simple. Okay, now let's check the pricings. Okay, wait, let's see. First let's the complete the transfer. So while it is loading, let's check out the pricing of them. Tap onto pricing, and there you go. Here you can see their services that they offer. For example, the free one, which is perfect for occasional users or anyone exploring WeTransfer for the first time. This is $0. That means it is fully free to use. You can share up to 3 GB files a month. You can transfer 10 transfers per month, and you will get 10 transfer expiry up to 3 days. Now let's talk about the ultimate offer, like ultimate service they provide. $19 per month. This offer is basically built for full year. Like you have to pay for full year. Okay, as you can see, I'm viewing the yearly packages. I'm gonna also see the monthly packages here. So let's see the ultimate package, what they offers. And this is best for power users who send big files all day, every day. You can get everything in free, plus share and receive limitless unlimited transfer per month. Transfer expiry up to 1 year, custom branding per transfer, unlimited reviews, and portal subscribers benefits also. And if you're working with a team, then you can choose this one. This is ideal for small teams that need a powerful and robust file sharing solution. So all you get is that you can invite your team members up to 25 minutes in your team and centralized billing. And the rest of the features are like the ultimate one. Now let's talk about the enterprise. You can just edit it customizably. You can get customized offer from here. Now let's check the monthly billings. Okay, like these ones are billed monthly. The previous one that you have to pay for the whole year, and this one you just pay per month. Okay, the free option is the same as before. Let's talk about the ultimate ones, teams and enterprise. So they're almost same, but on the custom one, you can get unlimited members in your team, custom transfer rules, premium support, single sign-on SSO, advanced access management. You can get usage and security docs. So as you can see, these were the pricing of them, and if you wish to, you can just download. Go to premium one. Wait until the file is fully updated and ready for transformation. From here you can also find out their brandings. You can see there on the more option, you can tap onto contacts, and then you can contact with WeTransfer. Okay, you just have to verify your email address first. Okay, you can go to review and check out their reviews. Okay, let's go to their homepage and check out their reviews. Let me close this one. Wait until the page is loaded. Okay, you can also send them a review, like you can create a review from here and tap onto this. As you can see, the previous file is almost ready. Wait until it is fully ready. You can upload your file from computer and etc. here. You can check out there. This is small intro to reviews, and that's it. And if you wish to upgrade your WeTransfer, you can tap on to upgrade, and from there you can update it. So that was pretty much it about WeTransfer. And when the file will be ready to transfer, like it will go to 100%, then it will generate you a link to transfer your file to others. As you can see, it is finalizing now. You should not close the window until the transfer is completed. Otherwise, it will stop transforming your file. Now just simply tap on to copy link and then go to anywhere, or you can also send emails to the person. Just copy paste the link and they will able to download and view the file. So that was it, and if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more of this type of content, and leave a comment below that what video you want to see next time. Till then, take care, goodbye.